For the paddle to move left and right, first you click on the paddle. Go to Events and add when space key press. Change space to right. Go to Motion and add Point in Direction. Make sure that Point in Direction arrow is pointed to the right. Add Move 10 steps and change the number for the speed of the paddle. If you want the paddle to move fast, put a bigger number. If you want the paddle to move slow, put a smaller number. In this example, I'll be using 30 steps. When you press the right arrow key on the keyboard, the paddle moves to the right. To make the paddle move to the left, move your mouse on the orange block, right-click, and choose Duplicate. Place it down, change right arrow to left, and make sure Point in Direction arrow is pointing to the left. Now try pressing the left arrow key. Right now, the paddle is moving left and right. For the ball to bounce around the screen, click on the ball sprite. Click Events and add when green flag, click. Go to Motion and add Go to XY. Add Point in Direction and change the Point in Direction arrow pointing towards down to the right. This will make the ball bounce going here, which is going to the paddle. Next, go to Control and add Forever. Go back to Motion and add If on Edge Bounce. This will make the ball bounce if it's touching the edge of our screen. Add Move Steps and change the number for the speed of the ball. I want the ball to move a little bit slow, so I'll use the value 8. Test your code by pressing the green flag. As you can see, the ball is bouncing around the screen. Go back to Events and add when green flag, click. Click on Control. Add Forever. Next, add If Then block inside Forever. Between If and Then, we're going to add a sensing block that says Touching Paddle. Add the first block here and change mouse pointer to Paddle. Place it inside. Inside Touching Paddle If Then statement, we need to make sure that the ball will be bouncing going up. So, go to Motion and add Turn 15 degrees. In this Turn 15 degrees, we're going to assign a random number between 160 to 200. Click on Operators and add Pick Random 1 to 10. Change the number to 160 to 200. Test your code by clicking the green flag. As you can see, the ball is bouncing up whenever it touches the paddle. This time, we're going to add the blocks for the ball to stop bouncing when it hits the line. Click Control and add If Then block. Inside If Then, we need to add the same sensing block, but this time change mouse pointer to line. After changing it to line, inside If Then Touching Line block, you need to add control block that says Stop All. This means that if your ball is touching the line, it will stop from bouncing. Test your code by clicking the green flag. As you can see, the ball stops from bouncing when it hits the line.